I experienced a tornado 2 years ago, July 15th, 2 years ago, and it was bad, but nothing like this. This was end of days bad.
Whoa!
Severe thunderstorms were rumbling across the Chicago area Monday, with destructive winds, large hail, heavy downpours, and tornado warnings issued. Chicago area residents reported golf ball-sized hail as severe storms brought destructive and life-threatening wind gusts over 100 miles per hour to parts of the area, leaving thousands without power as the threat for more storms looms. The storms downed trees, flooded streets, grounded planes, and left a trail of damage across several suburbs as they powered through the region.
Tristan?
Shit!
Wind speeds in excess of 100 miles per hour were reported with a severe squall line that moved through several suburbs as forecasters warned of extensive straight-line wind damage. "You're in a life-threatening situation," the National Weather Service wrote in its alerts for numerous counties. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Trained weather spotters reported tornado touchdowns in suburban Orland Park and Glen, Ellyn, though the National Weather Service has not yet confirmed. In Wheaton, officials said they were responding to reports of flooding and fallen trees across the community. The city's primary focus is clearing roadways to ensure safe rights of way for emergency responders and the public. Public works crews will remain in the field working continuously until major hazards and roadway obstructions are resolved, the city wrote in an update to residents. Metra said trains were halted near Homewood due to wire issues, while others were canceled on the Union Pacific North Line due to high winds. Debris on tracks also delayed and suspended trains on Chicago's red, purple, and yellow lines. At O'Hare Airport, video obtained by NBC Chicago showed water leaking through the roof of the ceiling at near Gate B33. The Chicago Department of Aviation did not immediately respond to NBC Chicago's request for comment.
Turn right onto East 71st Street.
Hail warning in Chicago. Hinsdale, look at this.
Hail was reported from Schaumburg to Roselle to Park Forest to Oak Forest and beyond. In Kenosha County, reports of baseball-sized hail were noted by the NWS. A trained weather spotter reported tennis ball-sized hail up to 2.5 inches in Westmont. In Downers Grove, Oakbrook, Willowbrook, Lemont, Elmhurst, and more golf ball-sized hail reports came in with diameters of up to 1.75 inches.
Yeah, that one out there, at least tennis ball size. Fucking roof's gonna be all dented as shit too.
I'm more worried about the farmer's corn.
Meanwhile, Addison reported several street closures due to a public safety incident involving a damaged electric pole, as well as flooding across several streets. Please avoid these areas, use alternate routes, and never drive through flooded roadways, the Addison Police Department wrote on social media. The storms downed trees from Darien to Homewood to Glen, Ellyn to Schaumburg and beyond. A ground stop was in effect at both Chicago's O'Hare and Midway airports, lasting through Monday afternoon.
This is causing a flood here. Had one car already got flooded and pulled over. There's one car stuck over there. This car can't go anywhere. Had to get pushed. That's going.